I think people don't want to have to think about government, right? It should not be something that you are constantly thinking about. You don't want to be worried every day what a federal representative, a president, or your mayor is doing. You want to wake up and think about your family and your business and how you're going to make sure that you have the best life as possible for your kids. That's what it should be, right? Government is supposed to work for you, supposed to be there for you. I think we've gone through, sometimes here in the United States where the president has driven the dialogue. Here in Northeastern Pennsylvania, unfortunately, our freshman congressman is driving the dialogue about this district because of his stock trading, because he is bringing the level of corruption directly to the Northeast here. We don't need more of that. We can get away from this. He is renewing that sense of dread that people are going to view Northeastern Pennsylvania as a place where the bad stories come out of. That's not who we are. We've been able to show that in Scranton, we can not have to worry about things. We can know that we can be in good hands. We can do that again. We don't want to be a focal point for the wrong reason. We don't want Joe Rogan or OAN talking about this district because we have a congressman who's become one of the most prolific stock traders in Congress, who dumped 6 figures of Medicaid provider stock a week before he trashed $1 trillion of Medicaid. It's really hard to make up how cynical this is. On the healthcare front, which you mentioned, we have a hospital right in Scranton, one of our 2 hospitals that is owned by a publicly traded company. They have drained the resources from it. It has been teetering on the brink of closure for a couple of years now. We've been trying to get a buyer. Our state representatives, Governor Shapiro and his team, we've been all hands on deck trying to see how we can do this. But the privatization of these public goods is really coming home to roost. And we also see a Congress that is voting to gut Medicaid. We have, as you stated before, those pending subsidies. And actually the woman, Liz Krug, who runs Endless Roots Farms, that you read her quote, she is local here. She's actually a vendor for my husband's business. It's a beautiful farm with great people. This is real. This is very, very real. This is not just talking points. Rob Bresnahan has been going around the district promising that the Rural Healthcare Fund is going to save everyone's healthcare and everyone's jobs. That math doesn't math. You can't spread $50 billion across the country in every competitive congressional district, and $50 billion does not add up to $1 trillion. So people want to trust their officials. They want to trust that you are there for them. That is not what we have in our current freshman congressman, and I look forward to changing that.